Before watch our video, please subscribe.
Hello Kickstarters! I'm Sang-eun Chang, the CEO and designer of Yoke. I first want to thank all the supporters of our first solar project, SolarAid. Following the success of the SolarAid, this year we are coming back to present new solar paper, the thinnest and lightest solar charger in the world. Let's take a look.
Solar paper is super small and slim, so you can conveniently carry the solar paper when traveling or even in daily lives, and use solar energy anywhere under the sun. It can fully charge iPhone 6 within 2.5 hours. Also, solar paper is the world's first solar charger that can auto-reset via comparison operator, so you don't have to worry about shadow or cloud on solar panels. Also, it allows users to know exact power amount via numbers displayed on the LCD screen. Various devices such as GoPro, external battery, Bluetooth speaker, digital camera, AA battery charger, flashlight, smartphone, and even tablet PC that requires more power can be charged by adding additional panels. Magnet connectors help to conveniently add or subtract solar panels.
We are so proud of that we've come this far, but to meet the price point for more people, we need your support and green. We truly believe that the solar technology can relieve the battery problem we face every day and contribute to making the world greener. Thank you for watching the video and enjoy the sunshine. Bye!
Ever thought about all the things you achieve with a simple push of a button? Technology brings endless possibilities right to our fingertips, making life more comfortable in every aspect, and helping us prepare better for the future. Except when it comes to a flat tire. RideAir is the next generation of effortless air pumps. It works at the push of a button, just like you're used to, just as it should. RideAir is clean, simple, and efficient. It's designed to help you in two common situations: natural loss of air pressure that always catches you off guard, and a flat tire that stops you from getting on your bike at all. RideAir is the perfect quick fix for both. It lets you inflate your tires with a single push of a button. This way, you can take care of a flat after you get to where you need to be. RideAir can be refilled with an air compressor in literally a second. Its built-in safety prevents air from leaking out. We worked on a slick, elegant design that would fit perfectly on your bike so that you're never caught without it. Just to be on the safe side, it has a built-in lock to keep your RideAir where it belongs. And of course, RideAir isn't just for riding. You can also use it to inflate lots of other things.
Introducing the Ivation Portable Mini Shower. It's so compact it fits in your backpack. We've included adapters so you can set it up anywhere. It's great for outdoor adventures. All you need is a bucket of water or a lake. Just hook it on a tree. Drop the pump into a bucket and power on. A constant stream of water that will gently shower you clean. While an active built-in water filtration system filters the water. This lightweight portable shower can be used virtually anywhere. It's also fantastic for washing your car. Its soothing flow is also great for our furry friends too, even the finicky ones. They love the gentle stream of our Ivation portable shower. This portable shower has a battery life that allows up to 1 hour of continuous use. To charge, simply plug into any USB socket. It's as simple as that.
We all throw food away sometimes. That's ending now with the latest kitchen innovation. Introducing Vacuvita, the only vacuum food system that is designed to save you money and look good in your kitchen. The intelligent Vacuvita home base works with just a hand movement. The system opens by itself and automatically creates a vacuum. Your food stays fresh up to 5 times longer. Because of Vacuvita's easy access storage solution, you're able to enjoy your food right away, without hassle, just as tasty as the moment you stored them. The Vacuvita home base is the heart of a complete kitchen solution to store and prepare your food. It comes with vacuum bags and original Vacuvita containers that suit your kitchen interior. The Vacuvita home base creates a vacuum inside the containers to keep your food fresh, tasty, and full of vitamins. Revolutionize the way you store your food, manage your kitchen, and minimize waste. Use the Vacuvita containers and bags for coffee, vegetables, herbs, meat, and leftovers, and store them in your fridge, freezer, or pantry. Prevent freezer burn on your expensive meats, fish, or poultry. Prepare your food in advance, like crispy salads, sliced vegetables, tasty marinades, homemade rubs, pasta sauce, or croutons. Cook what you want, when you want, and ease up your week with Vacuvita. Start cooking like a real chef. It's easy. You're hosting a barbecue but haven't marinated your meat or fish? No problem. With the vacuum container, you can marinate in minutes. The vacuum products will soak up all the flavor and your barbecue will end up being a great success. Sous vide is the professional way to slowly heat your finer foods. The bag protects the product and all the flavors and vitamins will remain inside while slow cooking to the perfect tenderness. With Vacuvita vacuum bags, you get exceptional results every time. Serve your family and friends with the fresh, healthy food they deserve and never throw any of it away again. Vacuvita is the sustainable way to save food and money, designed to simplify your life and suit your taste. From now on, you can enjoy fresh, tasty products every day.